Welcome to our Hispanic Heritage Assembly. This is where we're going to celebrate our connections to Spanish-speaking cultures and language. To start us off with our pledge, we have three of Senorita Trumper's students. Would you like to introduce your students?
So my three students here come from Spanish-speaking families, so we thought it would be really neat to have them come up and share the Pledge of Allegiance with us. So would you guys?
Liana, Alejandra, Vivian. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I know someone who can speak Spanish. That might include yourself, right? Can you tell us who's here today to help us celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month?
My dad.
Oliver's dad is here. Dr. Orlay Alonso.
¿Dónde está Cuba?
Where is Cuba? Oh, that is the question. Where is Cuba?
In the middle.
That is correct. In the middle, actually, of the Americas.
What are the things you most like about Cuban culture?
Well, I guess you would guess right if you guess music. That's what I like the most. That's what I am. That's what I live for. That's what I breathe. So if music is my life, if I did not like music, then I would be in trouble. Even though I play all kinds of music, I still love Cuban music. I still love Latin American music. I still love Spanish music. I'm going to see. I'm going to pick someone. Hands up. Oh, everybody's hand should be out. Right there. Yes. Row, row, row your boat. You have it.